All right, so we're up in East Balabog. Our search for the perfect 3-bedroom, 2-bath continues. We're up here in this compound, and we're checking out a 3-bed, 2-bath here, and it's a pretty cool compound. Some Russians living over here. There's 5 buildings in this compound. There's one there, one here, one over there in the back, and the tower where the landlord lives. Now, personally, I'd rather live in the tower because I think it's just cool to be in a tower. So let's go check this out. All right, ladies, I will return. So this is fairly new construction. Security grates are wonderful. Very good screens, sliding windows. You guys know I'm big on that. I'm not too crazy about living in a compound, so this isn't for me. But as far as compounds go, this is by far the nicest one I have seen. And we'll start breaking it down a little bit. Comes with Panasonic refrigerator. Cabinetry is all good, brand new. It's nice. Another foreigner was living here earlier. He obviously took care of it. Sink's good. Check the water pressure. Yeah, welcome to Valencia, baby. Welcome to Valencia. For all you people who live in Valencia, you know what I'm talking about. They got a stove inside for some reason. Here's one of the bedrooms. Reminder, this is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Again, everything is well maintained, fresh paint. It's just nice. They got it. This is how you present and stage a house for viewing. It's got a little air conditioner, but it's small, but you're up in Valencia, so it's probably not that hot up here. It's not hot. It's around 4:30 in the afternoon right now. And it's nice. Here's one of the bathrooms. Got a shower with hot water heater. There's no lip. I like having a lip so the water doesn't get all over the place, but hey, this isn't the master, so that's okay. And over here, really nice tiling. Very nice tiling. The furniture's nice. I guess the conch shell comes with it. Let me see if I can hear the ocean. Yep. This is a living area. Table, furniture, well maintained. Got some art. Got a little TV that comes with it. This is Globe right here. This looks like a DSL unit. Pedo. They say you can get PLDT fiber optic up here. All right, let's continue on. Actually, we skipped a bedroom. Okay, here's the 2nd bedroom. And again, everything is good. Everything is straight here. This is a quiet area. I like that. It's got another sharp aircon. Looks like we got a little shared area out there. Again, that's where the landlord lives, right outside there, in her tower, which I think is pretty freaking cool. Here's the shower and the bathroom for the 2nd bedroom. No water heater, and again, no lip for showering. And that's okay. This would be our helper's room if we were gonna take this. This is interesting. Okay, it's 3-dimensional. Weird. Flashback. Okay, now here is the master. Da-ba-da. And the cabinetry is all good. It's all flush. Nothing is sticking. Nothing is bad. Again, the solid windows for air conditioning, if you like that sort of thing. It's got some under storage on the bed. Mattress. This could be use some refinishing, but that's okay. Not gonna nitpick. Another air conditioner. So that's 3 air conditioners. And this is interesting. It's got a sink. I've never seen this setup. It's got a sink. Hey, how you doing? And then there's one room here with a toilet in it and a little foot bath and a vent. And that weird 3D wallpaper type stuff. Weird. Tripping. And then they have another room that's just the shower. So you got like a dedicated shower room. Let's go in here and check this out. It's tiled all the way around. You got a plastic door, water heater. I'm sure there's been some magic moments spent here. And a pink pail with a cabo, in case you want a cabo. Again, all the tiling's really nice. The finish is really nice on this place. Security grates are freaking fantastic. Screens, solid windows, $22,000 a month. The road that she led us here is pretty bad. I guess the road, there's another road that comes up here. We're gonna go check that out on the way back to see if it's a better road, and I'll do an update on the video on that. But this is what they're looking for in Valencia. West up the mountain from Dumaguete city. It's about a 25 minute drive. And they're asking 22,000 pesos, which is a bit over, it's like $450 right now at the present exchange rate. Ants. All right. So if you're interested, I will leave the information. It's a nice, clean place, and it's quiet. I mean, it's a compound, but it's quiet. The neighbors seem nice. They got a really big, well, actually, it's a little Doberman. He seems to be getting a little chauncey. And it's quiet. The landscaping's really nice. There's a little bit of music in the background, but that is the soundtrack of the Philippines. And we'll take a little circumvent around the rest of the area. The Doberman wants the other dog to get up and play. So it's the exterior of this house. There's another house back here. And, oh yeah, you wanted to do a video on the other house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's already done.
Okay, we'll do that. So we're gonna go check out another house now.
Okay.
So if you're interested in this place, I will leave the contact information for the landlord down in the video description box. If there is no contact information, that means it has been rented out. Okay, see you next time. We're gonna go over there. Okay, quick update on the road. The other road access is still really bumpy, but it's a lot shorter. It's only like 150 meters or so, and then it hits this concrete road. And again, the good thing about this area, I should probably wear my seatbelt, is it's nice and cool up here when you're not up on the second floor of that second house we took a look at. So that's the update on the road. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.